Hey guys, good morning, because it's morning here and it is day 3. I feel like one day I'm gonna look back and be like, oh yeah, I remember day 3. That was a breeze. No, today is paint day, which is extremely exciting because it means that I can actually do something. Sometimes I feel like all I do is take care of the kids, which is a big deal, but when I can actually get my hands dirty is when I really get excited. So let me show you what Skyler did last night. You wanna say hi? Judah got a GoDaddy, I think that's what it's called, thing, because he wanted to help clean today. And they are set up in their playroom because it is air conditioning. Yep, air conditioning and everything. So let's go ahead and show you what Skyler did last night. When we went to bed, he came back here and worked. So let's get to showing you what he did. So y'all remember this first room, the blue room, and we had a hole in the ceiling, but now it is gone. I'm so excited. He did, didn't he, Uriah? He patched it up. Yeah, you got your mouth full of popcorn? Yeah. So, and then we just took down this Jimmy rigged break-in system that was here, and we are installing a new frame to the frame to the door. Thank you. We're gonna install the frame to the door because the door's really brand new, honestly. We took off all of the baseboards, ripped those all up last night, and here, I'll show you. And they got a playroom, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah, they got popcorn. I'm about to paint the bathroom, y'all. It's about to happen. This is gonna look glorious when we're done. This is gonna be pretty. We picked out our flooring this morning. Went to Lowe's. I'm gonna try out this pretty thing. We went to Lowe's and it was fantastic. Let's jump down here and see what Skyler's doing. Hey, what you got going on?
I've gotten this bad piece of sheetrock out and I'm cutting a square and I'm gonna put scab pieces in and refloat it.
Yeah.
Finish the ceiling up. Did you show them the one in the front?
I did.
Good morning, yeah. But before that, I gotta run back to Lowe's. I forgot, before I seal this up, I gotta fix this air conditioning because it's not blowing. Because we had some critters get up there and
destroy it.
take it out, so.
Yeah.
That's what I gotta do.
All right, well, we'll show you guys our progress later.
Yep. This is the look of exhaustion. All right, we're wrapping up day 3 of working. Kristi, show them your hands. So we got a lot of painting done. I got the entire
That's pretty much what our
done.
body looks like, and Judah, because he fell in the paint.
Yeah, Judah fell in the paint, but we tried pressure washing the house. You guys can see we got the super clean out here. Shout out to them. But the pressure washers broke. Neither one of them worked. So we're gonna have to get another pressure washer or do something. I'm not sure yet, but we kind of got some of it pressure washed. I got a new threshold put in the front door, which we'll show that in the front when we go inside. So let's go inside and I'll show y'all where we're at. So, figured out the light situation. If you guys want to check this out.
Look at how Jimmy rigged this is.
I found the panel for the house. It's in there, so.
And if you look, it's literally cut out of the cabinets.
Yeah, it's hilarious. You get that on the big job. Anyways, figured out the light. So let's start in the front bedroom and I'll show y'all this. So first thing, we got new toilet, so that's pretty nice. But I built all new, I was able to scab in a new door. So now we have a legit front door that works, which is good, with a deadbolt. So I replaced all this. I just got to put the trim up and finish all my shims. So that's done, good to go. We started on this. I put another coat of spackle sheetrock mud on that, and Kristi and the boys.
We started painting.
Fell in the paint.
Oh yeah.
We started the first coat of white, so that's good.
So now it looks like clouds.
Yeah, it looks really good. And here, Kristi got all this painted, which is nice.
Looks new.
The bathroom is painted and done, so this looks really nice. So all we have to do in this is put the new toilet in, get the vanity put back in, get the covers on it, put the door back in. That'll be good to go. No changes here whatsoever. That's
Playroom.
all exact same, yeah. But the big story of the day is the back. So y'all.
Drum roll, old toilet.
Yes, so.
Oh.
I did the interior, we got our window, so this will be going right here.
Tomorrow. So we'll have light in here tomorrow. That's so exciting.
So we'll get some room in here. Something we did figure out, this was an addition, then that was an addition to this addition. So the old roof actually comes straight off, and that is the old roof. That's when we kind of got this weird little thing, and then they added this. So this was the back door. That's why we have a door in between here.
Oh.
Then they poured this, you can see the joint. Then they poured a new addition and added this. So look what I got done today. I got this patched. So when I crawled back up in here, the air condition for this that they scabbed in when they built this new addition had come loose. So this and this vent in here did not have any air. Do you smell the difference?
Yeah.
It smells wet. So this right here was just wide open to the roof.
Oh.
So that's why this smelled real musty and muggy. So getting this natural light in here is going to be the
Y'all, it smelled so bad when we walked in here. It does not smell like that anymore at all.
It doesn't smell like that. It smells like paint. So, anyways, we're going to wrap up day 3. We got some really tired boys. They did a little bit better today, or a lot better today.
They were able to be inside in a playroom.
Yeah, and they were in the air condition. The air condition is working. So, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us in this video. Please don't forget to shoot that notification bell so you know whenever we post. And subscribe if you'd like to follow along. I feel like we're making really good progress. It's coming along. So 3 days, we got paint on the walls, and we dropped, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000 in a bunch of materials: floors, toilets,
A new roof.
Stuff like that. So I will tell you this, if I haven't already, y'all be sure to make sure you get a roofer to inspect your house whenever they do your inspections. Because our inspection, we just looked at it and it looked new, and we took that for granted, or we took his word for granted, so it did not work out. So we'll see y'all in day 4.